So here we're saying you have to give to get. So we give our lives. We come to Vrindavan, we give our lives, we give our time to bhajan. And we're calculating, because why are we calculating? Because our acharyas, Rupa Goswami says there's Panchanga Bhakti. There's 5 limbs of bhakti, and each one of them will give us prema. And even just living in Vrindavan, we can attain Krishna prema. Of course, there's one big catch. Living without money? No, that's okay. Most people don't have much. Living without food? That's okay. But living without offenses. So if we live in Vrindavan without offenses, even if you have money or no money, or clothes or no clothes, or food or no food, doesn't matter. But without offenses, then that gift will be given. So this is easier said than done, because our nature in Kali Yuga, unfortunately, all of us in Kali Yuga are offensive by nature. I can't be excluded from that group, because I'm born in this unfortunate age. Of course, our fortune is the holy name. That's the good quality. Eko gun, one gun, it says in 11th canto. About this age is the holy name. So the holy name will make us offenseless, and the holy name will make us pure, and the holy name will qualify us for the mercy of Vrindavan. So imagine if you have all 5 in place, all 5 aspects, all 5 angas of Panchanga Bhakti. Because why do we come here to Vrindavan? Well, that's one reason, because just living in Vrindavan gives prema. So we're gamblers. We're all transcendental gamblers. We're thinking, wow, I'm going to gamble. I'm going to go for it. If I lose everything I got. All my money, everything. Okay. Oh. Okay. Takes it all. You become a beggar. Oh, Radhe, Radhe, roti chahiye, roti chahiye. You become a bhikari. Bhikari, a madhukari, a bhikari, praying bhikari, a beggar. Or you win. So you're thinking, well, what are the stakes? Well, if I go to Vrindavan and live without offenses, I'll attain Krishna Prem and go to Goloka Vrindavan and serve Radharani forever in the kunjas of Vrindavan. But I have to live without offenses. Okay, I'll try. Okay, hey, I made it one day. I lived one day in Vrindavan. I think I didn't make any offenses. I'm not sure. I better pray that. What about the unconscious ones? Oh, Krishna, please forgive me for my conscious. I don't think I made any consciously, but I'm not that conscious either. So maybe I made some offenses in my so-called consciousness, which was actually unconsciousness. So please forgive me for my conscious, unconscious awareness, offenses, etc. To be hypo-analytical about it all. So then, I passed a week, and then I made it, or I made it a year. And you'll find out how, and if you're really offensive, when you sit down to pray, you won't even be in Vrindavan. You'll be somehow be thrown out before that. So we're allured here by our acharyas, Rupa Goswami and Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. He says, and then they're telling us, Prabodhananda Saraswati is fanatical. He's fanatical about Vrindavan. He says, forget everything. If if anyone tells you to don't go to Vrindavan, then cut out their tongue and throw them away. You should not do that. That's immoral. That's illegal. You go to jail. But that's the kind of intensity he's trying to shake us and wake us that this is important. Hear what I'm saying. Leave everything. Leave your wife and your kids. Well, wait a minute. That's totally adharmic, and that's sinful and adharmic. You're telling me you're some kind of acharya, and you're telling me this is what is this? It's not possible. So that's not really what he means. What he means, mentally leave it all, and put Vrindavan in your mind if you can't live here. That's why you need guru to understand Shastra. Well, I read the Shastra. It said, Prabhupada Saraswati said, even if your guru tells you to leave Vrindavan and go to Moscow and distribute books, you should just kill your guru. So wait a minute. It's not like that. And you say, no, Gurudev, it's Shastra. So there are many fanatical people in the world. And I met a few, unfortunately. So that's why Guru is required to hold your hand, take you through the verses, cool down, sell a few more books in Moscow, then next year you can go to Vrindavan, or whatever, whatever the save is. So they encourage us to stay here and do Sankirtan here, and to associate with devotees, and worship Bhagavatam, and hear Harikatha, and worship Thakurji, and take his darshan. This is the Panchanga. So we coming here because why? We're coming here to get this jewel, this Divya Nidhi. We're coming here because Asti, Divya Nidanam Asti, that this Radha Bidhanam,